Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and the PC plugged in. Start now. Open Settings, go to System, then Power and Sleep, and click Additional Power Settings. Select your active plan, choose Change Plan Settings, then change Advanced Power Settings. This opens detailed controls. You're doing this to override aggressive defaults that force sleep or reduce performance. Once the dialog is open, leave it visible, because the next step is where you change specific subsystems like display, sleep timers, and PCI Express settings. You're now in Advanced Settings. Expand Sleep and set Sleep After to Never temporarily so you can test changes. Next, expand USB settings and disable USB selective, suspend to prevent idle devices from sleeping. Expand PCI Express and set link state power management to off or maximum performance to avoid downclocking. Finally, open processor power management and raise the minimum processor state to about 5–10%. And ensure maximum is 99–100%, so the CPU won't throttle. Save your changes and consider creating a named custom plan so you can revert easily. Reboot, then test with your normal apps to confirm the unwanted power-saving behavior is gone. If it still happens, open Device Manager and check each network adapter, USB host, and display adapter for a power management tab. Uncheck Allow the device to wake or sleep. If problems continue, revert changes one at a time while watching Event Viewer for sleep or driver error messages. This narrows the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.